Welcome back to US Car Review. This machine is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of the future on wheels. Standing before us is a next-generation luxury mega motorhome, a rolling architectural masterpiece that blends aerospace inspiration, automotive power, and modern American luxury culture into one breathtaking form. From the very first glance, this futuristic RV commands attention. Its presence is bold, wide, low, and dominant, engineered to look fast even while standing still. Designed for those who demand power, prestige, and innovation, this vehicle represents the ultimate evolution of road travel in the United States. The design language of this motorhome is rooted in futuristic minimalism and advanced aerodynamics. The front fascia is smooth and sculpted, flowing seamlessly like liquid metal. Sharp LED lighting elements slice through the bodywork, creating a dramatic signature that looks equally stunning during the day and electrifying at night. The headlights are integrated into the body with precision, forming aggressive angular shapes that resemble the eyes of a high-performance supercar rather than a traditional RV. This instantly changes how we perceive large vehicles. This is not slow, bulky, or outdated. This is fast, intelligent, and futuristic. The shape of the vehicle is long, low, and perfectly proportioned. Unlike conventional box-shaped motorhomes, this design emphasizes fluid curves and layered surfaces. The roofline gently slopes backward, reducing air resistance while adding a sense of motion and speed. Every line serves a purpose. Every curve has intent. This is aerodynamic engineering meeting luxury design. The side profile reveals deep sculpted channels that guide airflow smoothly along the body, improving stability at highway speeds and reducing wind noise for a quieter, more comfortable ride. Color plays a crucial role in defining the personality of this machine. The exterior is finished in a high-gloss pearl white, a color associated with purity, technology, and high-end luxury in the American market. White reflects light beautifully, allowing the complex shapes and contours to stand out under showroom lighting or open skies. Accented by subtle gold or champagne LED trim lines, the vehicle radiates exclusivity. These illuminated lines are not just decorative, they highlight the geometry of the body, tracing its futuristic architecture like neon outlines of a concept vehicle straight from a sci-fi movie. The body construction is a masterpiece of modern materials. Lightweight composite panels combined with reinforced structural frames provide exceptional strength without unnecessary weight. This balance allows the vehicle to be both massive and agile. The body panels fit together with seamless precision, eliminating visible joints and screws to create a clean, uninterrupted surface. This level of craftsmanship is usually reserved for luxury yachts and private jets, now brought to the open road. Moving along the side, the panoramic windows immediately capture attention. Large, tinted glass panels wrap around the upper level, offering expansive views while maintaining privacy. These windows are designed with advanced UV and heat-resistant coatings, keeping the interior cool and protected while allowing natural light to flood the living spaces. At night, the interior lighting glows softly through the glass, transforming the vehicle into a moving luxury lounge. The entrance door is flush with the body, opening electronically with smooth, silent precision. This is not a simple step-inside experience, it feels like boarding a futuristic mobile penthouse. Hidden steps extend automatically, illuminated for safety and style. Every interaction with this vehicle feels premium, engineered to impress at every level. The overall style of this motorhome is a fusion of modern American luxury, European design sophistication, and aerospace technology. It does not try to look rugged or industrial. Instead, it focuses on elegance, intelligence, and power. This is the type of vehicle designed for celebrities, elite travelers, digital nomads, and visionaries who see the road not as a limitation but as freedom. Underneath this stunning exterior lies the true heart of the machine, the engine and mechanical systems that give it life. This motorhome is powered by a high-performance heavy-duty engine, engineered to deliver massive torque and smooth acceleration even under full load. Whether climbing mountain roads, cruising endless American highways, or navigating urban environments, the powertrain ensures confident performance at all times. The engine is paired with an advanced automatic transmission optimized for efficiency and durability. Gear changes are smooth and intelligent, adapting to driving conditions in real time. This ensures not only comfort for passengers but also long-term reliability for extended journeys across the country. The exhaust system is tuned to be quiet and refined, reinforcing the luxury experience while maintaining the strength expected from a vehicle of this size. Suspension technology plays a critical role in ride quality, and this motorhome excels in that area. Equipped with an advanced air suspension system, the vehicle automatically adjusts ride height and stiffness based on speed, load, and road conditions. This results in an incredibly smooth ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections while maintaining stability and control. The low center of gravity enhances handling, making the vehicle feel planted and confident even at highway speeds. The wheels and tires are specially designed for both performance and aesthetics. Large, polished alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, reinforcing the vehicle's wide stance. High load, all-season tires ensure grip, durability, and safety across different terrains and weather conditions common in the United States. Braking is handled by heavy-duty ventilated disc brakes, delivering strong and reliable stopping power, a critical feature for a vehicle of this scale. Beyond the engine, every supporting part has been engineered for longevity and efficiency. Advanced cooling systems regulate engine temperature even during long hauls in hot climates. Integrated power management systems distribute energy intelligently between driving systems and onboard luxury features. This ensures optimal performance without compromising comfort. What truly elevates this vehicle is how seamlessly technology is integrated into every component. Smart sensors monitor tire pressure, suspension performance, engine health, and fuel efficiency in real time. Data is displayed through a centralized digital cockpit, giving the driver complete control and awareness. This level of technology transforms long-distance driving into a relaxed, confident experience. From a documentary perspective, this vehicle represents a shift in how Americans view mobility. It is no longer about simply reaching a destination, it is about the journey itself. This motorhome redefines road travel as an experience of luxury, independence, and innovation. It allows its owner to carry the comfort of a high-end residence wherever the road leads. The design philosophy behind this machine reflects modern American values: freedom, ambition, individuality, and technological leadership. It speaks to a generation that values both comfort and performance, aesthetics and engineering, style and substance. In a world where vehicles are becoming increasingly similar, this motorhome stands apart as a bold vision of what is possible. In conclusion, this futuristic luxury motorhome is not just transportation, it is a moving symbol of progress. Its design is daring, its shape is aerodynamic, its color palette is elegant, its body is engineered to perfection, and its engine delivers the power needed to match its commanding presence. Every part works in harmony to create an unforgettable machine built for the open roads of America. This is the future of luxury travel. This is power on wheels. This is innovation, freedom, and prestige redefined. Please like and subscribe for more real videos.